Kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thank you.
Hello students, this is Ashish, your subject teacher, and today I am going to teach you fourth chapter of your English language book. The name of the chapter is question tags. So we will know about question tag and we will also know that how to use them in our sentences. Generally, when we talk to someone, we make a statement and then ask for a confirmation. For example, this is my pen, isn't it? So in this is my pen is a statement and isn't it is a question tag. We use it to confirm with the listener that what we are saying is right. Let's see some important rules of question tags. Rule number 1. When a word which gives a negative sense, for example, seldom, hardly, never, nobody, neither, none, etc., is used, question tag is kept positive. For example, nobody is perfect. Are they? Here, nobody is perfect gives a negative sense, therefore, we used a positive question tag. Rule number 2. With commands and requests, we always use will you as question tag. For example, open the window, will you? Here open the window is an imperative sentence where you is hidden. Rule number 3. Let's or let us, both are the same thing. Always takes shall we as a question tag. For example, let's play together. Shall we? The sentence starts with let's or let us, so we used shall we as a question tag. In another rule, if sentence starts with let and after that any object comes, then we will use will you as a question tag. For example, let them watch TV. Here you can see the sentence starts with let and that's why we used will you as a question tag. After that, we have to understand that how to use pronouns for question tags. As you can see in this table, if there is a subject as a noun, then we use question tags according to the person, gender and number. If it is pronoun, then question tag will be same as the subject. If this is this, that, nothing, something, everything, then we use it. And for these, those, nobody, somebody, everybody, anybody, no one, someone, everyone, we use they for question tag. Hope you might have understood the chapter very well. Related worksheets can be downloaded from the app. Thank you.